In the context of economic theory, the interplay between cost, ease, and speed significantly impacts productivity, efficiency, and overall market dynamics. Understanding how these attributes coexist, reinforce each other, and evolve within economic systems can provide valuable insights into optimizing processes and achieving sustainable growth. This analysis explores the various relationships between these attributes, framing them in terms of coexistence, equilibrium, reinforcement, feedback, causal, and reversion dynamics. By examining these relationships, we can better understand how to transition from states of mediocrity to states of enhanced productivity and quality. Analysis. In positive contexts, attributes such as cheaper, easier, and faster mutually enhance each other, leading to a beneficial cycle. When something is cheaper, it often becomes easier to achieve, and when it is easier, it can also be faster. This positive coexistence ensures that improvements in one attribute positively affect the others, fostering an environment of continuous improvement. In contrast, equilibrium in a negative balance implies that attributes like low cost, less challenging, and quick coexist, but do not necessarily enhance the overall system's efficiency or quality. This state reflects a scenario where cost-cutting and ease of implementation do not translate into genuine improvements, often leading to suboptimal outcomes. Transitioning from equilibrium to coexistence requires reframing the attributes from a negative to a positive perspective. By focusing on quality improvements that inherently make processes cheaper, easier, and faster, it is possible to break the cycle of mediocrity and achieve a state of positive coexistence. Reinforcement describes a positive feedback loop where each attribute enhances the next. Cheaper leads to easier, easier leads to faster, and faster cycles back to cheaper, continuously reinforcing the system in a beneficial manner. This dynamic is crucial for fostering innovation and sustainable growth, as it encourages continuous improvement and optimization. On the other hand, feedback involves a negative feedback loop where less desirable attributes reinforce each other. Less challenging leads to low cost, quick leads to less challenging, and low cost leads back to quick, maintaining a cycle of mediocrity. This dynamic often results in stagnation and lack of genuine progress. To shift from feedback to reinforcement, it is essential to redefine goals and implement strategies that make processes genuinely easier and faster. By fostering a culture of continuous improvement and focusing on innovative methods, it is possible to maintain and enhance the positive feedback loop. Causal relationships involve direct cause-effect chains, where cheaper leads to easier, easier leads to faster, and cheaper also directly leads to faster. This dynamic is straightforward and emphasizes the importance of quality improvements that do not compromise the overall system's integrity. Reversion describes a cyclical pattern where negative attributes lead to one another, perpetuating a cycle of low standards. Quick leads to low cost to less challenging, and less challenging back to quick, creating a loop of suboptimal outcomes. Transitioning from reversion to causal requires identifying and breaking the negative cycle. By focusing on efficiency and promoting skill development, it is possible to enhance processes, making them cheaper and faster without compromising quality. Non-linear relationships show that cheaper directly leads to faster, which then makes things easier, and cheaper also leads directly to easier. This dynamic emphasizes the interconnectedness of improvements in different attributes. Retrospective cycles involve negative attributes leading to one another, maintaining a loop of less optimal outcomes. Quick leads to less challenging to low cost, and low cost back to quick. To move from retrospective to non-linear, a holistic approach is necessary. By identifying how improvements in cost can lead to better speed and ease, and implementing strategic investments in technologies or methodologies, it is possible to create positive feedback mechanisms that benefit all attributes. Inclusive logic means that cheaper, easier, and faster attributes support each other, creating a mutually reinforcing system. Exclusive logic involves negative attributes leading to each other, where low cost requires being both quick and less challenging. To shift from exclusive to inclusive, it is crucial to focus on balanced improvements that simultaneously address cost, ease, and speed. Cross-functional teams and integrated solutions can foster collaboration and ensure that efforts to reduce costs also aim to make tasks easier and faster. Conjoined relationships mean that making something easier ensures it is both cheaper and faster, creating a conjoined relationship where improvements in ease support both cost and speed. Bottlenecked relationships involve making something less challenging, ensuring it is both low cost and quick, but this does not necessarily lead to better outcomes. Removing bottlenecks and focusing on genuinely easier processes can help transition from bottlenecked to conjoined. Integrating solutions that simultaneously address cost, speed, and ease is essential for achieving this transition. Harmonic relationships involve the presence of two attributes positively affirming the third, creating a balanced and mutually reinforcing system. Dissonant relationships mean the presence of two negative attributes affirming the third negative attribute, creating a cycle of suboptimal outcomes. Transitioning from dissonant to harmonic involves achieving a balance where improvements in one attribute support and enhance the others. Synergizing attributes and continuously refining processes are key to maintaining a harmonic balance between cost, ease, and speed. Convergent relationships describe each attribute, leading to the simultaneous affirmation of the other two, creating a strong, interdependent system. Divergent relationships mean each negative attribute leads to the simultaneous affirmation of the other two negative attributes, creating a strong, interdependent negative system. To foster convergence from divergence, it is crucial to develop integrated solutions that address cost, ease, and speed together. A holistic approach to process improvement ensures that gains in one area positively impact the others, fostering a strong, interdependent positive system. Understanding the dynamics between cost, ease, and speed in economic systems provides valuable insights for optimizing processes and achieving sustainable growth. By analyzing these attributes through various relational frameworks, coexistence, equilibrium, reinforcement, feedback, causal, reversion, nonlinear, retrospective, inclusive, exclusive, conjoined, bottlenecked, harmonic, dissonant, convergent, and divergent, we can identify strategies to transition from states of mediocrity to states of enhanced productivity and quality. Emphasizing quality improvements, innovative methods, and integrated solutions can help create a positive feedback loop where cost, ease, and speed mutually reinforce each other, leading to continuous improvement and sustainable economic growth.